Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have pushed the customer service to the repository. You can see here we have pushed the customer service to the banking repository. In a banking repository, we have customer service. Now, even like we have created the feature branch. Now, I want to pull this feature branch to my local. So I have to, in order to do that, in order to pull this, feature branch, the newly created branch to my local. So I will be using a command called git pull. So what it will be doing is it will be taking the latest changes, which could be a branch, which could be a new code, which is like, push it to the repository. All these details will be fetched from the remote repository to local. So now when I press enter, it will be fetching all these details. See here. So we will be fetching this, branch details from this location actually. What is the new branch? Feature customer service is the new branch we have. So if you want to change the branch, now I'm at my main branch. You can check it here. If you want to check your current working branch, you can use a command called git branch. Okay, so it will be showing that what type, in what branch you are currently in, okay, residing in. Now you want to switch the branch. Now here you have the latest branch. Now I want to work with my feature branch. Now what I have to do is I have to copy this branch and I have to use a simple command called git checkout hyphen b branch. I want to check out to this branch. I'm saying that git checkout hyphen b. What is the branch name? I want to check out to this branch name. So if I press enter, so it is switched to a new branch. It is saying that, so the git is now pointing to the feature branch. What is the feature branch name? Feature customer service is the branch. Now let's check it whether it is really pointing to the branch or not, this branch or not. So in order to do that, so let's use a command called git branch. Git branch. What it will do, it will be showing the branch details where you're in. Okay, so you are currently in feature customer service. That's what. Okay, fine. I hope you understood this one. Okay, so in the next session, we will be creating the customer service pojo, and I will be creating the service layer. Okay, so until then, thank you for watching.